Hi and welcome back to a new art journaling video. Today I'm sharing another spread in my mini round art journal. I did this a few days ago and I will link you up to the making of this journal in the top right corner info box. I start by applying white gesso with a palette knife to my background. This journal is made from gelli prints, so it's really great that you have already a background ready to start with. You will find a flip-through video for these gelli prints I did with the round and circle stamp set from our store on my Instagram account. I also have a Instagram TV channel and I'm posting videos there regularly, so maybe you like to check that out too. I'm going in with acrylic paint, and today I like to blend the paints a little different than I do it normally. I apply the paint with a normal brush and then I go in with a completely dry brush and blend the paint in. To create some texture on my background, I'm scribbling in some pencil lines and I also add in some black lines with a watercolor pencil. This is the technique I prefer the most recently. I love to dip the nib of the watercolor pencil into water and draw some random black lines to my page. I'm adding more texture by using the cross-stitching stamp from the Rubber Dance Grungy Borders stamp set. To create even more texture, I've used the old book page stamp, and now I'm going in with the grungy circles. I picked my main image, and it's the big ladybug from the brand new Things with Wings stamp set. I stamped it to watercolor paper and colored it in with the Arteza watercolor pencils. To finish up the page, I add my sentiment. I used the brand new Rubber Dance Mix A Sentiment stamp, and I simply stamped it black on white and cut the words out that I wanted to use on this page. After gluing down the words, I add some scribbly borders around them with a black fine liner. I don't have this on camera, but you will see it in the photo at the end. My page is almost done, and I just want to let you know that our brand new release is still 10% off for pre-order until April 10th. And if you have our stamps and if you love them, you are very welcome to join our Facebook group, the Rubber Dance Stamping Lounge. You will find a link in the description box. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope we see us next time. Bye!